Hello and welcome. My name again is Dr. Healy. Today we're here with one of our patients, Anne. She's dealing with a lot of leg stiffness and soreness with her workout. So tell me a little bit more about what brings you in today.
Well, I feel really stiff. I don't really have that range of motion when I even just like go to sit or stand up. I just feel really stiff. Squats, lunges, just not really bending my knees the way they need to go.
Okay. Do you feel front side, back side?
It's more like a backside, right in here. My calves sometimes just get really, really tight.
Is it painful as well, or does it just feel like you just can't
More
get that range of
stiff,
motion?
and every once in a while I have just a little bit of like shooting pain, but it's more like just a stiffness, heaviness type of feeling,
Okay.
where it just doesn't kind of move.
Are you getting any back pain?
Not really, no.
Okay. And how about into like those hip flexors?
You know, my hips are tight. I sit a lot.
Okay.
So my hips are always really tight. I always feel a lot better when I can get some stretching in.
Okay. Help
my
elongate
hips,
those
so,
fibers.
yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's check out the squat here. So just kind of face me. Just do a squat. Just do like 3 of them, and let's kind of see how they do. And go as low as you can.
Just kind of feel like I can't go any lower. It's not like it hurts or anything.
Yeah.
It's just like,
It just doesn't want to move.
yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. All right. That's good. Now let's try one more thing with the pole here. So now I want you to bring it up here and use this kind of as a base and go as low as you can. Come straight up.
Is that how I'm supposed to, how low I'm supposed to?
Ideally, we want you to eventually get to 90 degrees, but we got to activate that butt muscle first. Yep, relax. And you have an imbalance of what I'm seeing is with your hips and your butt.
Okay.
So because you sit down a lot, these muscles are going to get really short because you're sitting, and we're not doing anything with our butt or our core when we're sitting.
Right.
Unless we're really focused on, hey, I'm going to engage my core, but your butt muscles are shut off.
Okay.
So that's what's not allowing you to go from here to all the way down here, is because you need to activate those butt muscles to come through.
Okay.
Do a couple more like that, please. Good. And just do like 2 or 3 more. And it also has to do with the tightness, what's going on there. You can come back up. So you were having a lot of forward. So there's a range of motion stiffness in the upper back that's causing that too.
Okay.
And the IT band here, especially on your left one, the right one's not as bad. When you're going down, your foot is straight. This one, as you come here, rotates
Okay.
like this. And so we need to loosen that up as well. So what we can do some deep tissue muscle work with the IT bands there, which stretch out those hip flexors. It's going to take some time to get that glute activation, but we'll see if just by elongating those fibers and getting the hips in the line, if we can get a little more range of motion with that.
Sounds good.
Okay. And today we're going to start with this Graston technique that we've used on you before. We're going to work this IT band, and most of the time, it's not too bad up here, but as we get closer to the insertion point of the knee, that's where a lot of the adhesions are. So we're going to work up here just to make sure we can break anything up that needs to be, and then we're going to go real deep into here, okay? And just let me know if it's too painful for you. If you squirm, that's okay. Not mad about it. All right. Okay. What you got planned for the rest of the day?
Get a haircut.
Oh, getting all fresh.
Yeah. That's about it.
Is that like a 4-hour process?
Kind of. I'm trying somewhere new, so.
Where are you going?
I'm going to close out in Claremont.
Oh.
Yeah. Know what the news is afterwards.
Sweet. How old are your nieces again?
6 and 3.
Nice. Did I tell you about Dino World when I took Addie there?
No, how was it?
It was great.
Awesome.
Yeah, like I think if you were older than like 10,
Yeah.
it would probably be kind of lame. But I think for anywhere between like 3 to 10 is probably a good spot.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, he's all of a sudden obsessed with rocks all of a sudden combined with dinos. So they had the excavation thing. So he's like, I want emerald. I'm like, okay, buddy. So we got this big bag of sand, and then he kind of did like an old gold digger thing where he puts it in the river and kind of sifts out through the rocks. So yeah, he got himself some fool's gold and some emerald, and I said, sweet, now we don't have to go to the gift shop. It saves me money.
Nice.
Yeah, you're gonna get some bruising here.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Definitely. And right now I'm just using the broad base of the tool, which is going in kind of one direction here, breaking up those fibers into the insertion point. There we go. Check on the hamstrings here. Your hamstring isn't too bad. Right here we got a little more. First time I worked on Ann, she had bruises up and down. How are you doing any running? Like
Yeah, I've been able to start to run. This past week was a little tougher for just, I don't know, I might have been sitting a little bit more.
do you feel that stiffness when you're running as well?
It just kind of just doesn't end, but yesterday I was able to kind of run again, and it feels better just to be able to kind of bend my knee a little bit in a consistent fashion. When they have that.
What distance are you going? Like a mile, 2 miles?
Oh, no. I'm just kind of running, like, kind of, not sprints, but almost sprints for, a couple minutes or so at a time.
Yeah.
But not for...
Quick bursts.
Yeah.
It's surprising, like, I feel like the 400-yard meter, like 400-meter dash is, like, the most difficult for me.
Okay.
You just go
Yeah, I don't
all
think...
out for about a minute and a half, and you just, for me at least, I feel like I'm going to die.
Yeah, I usually will, like, go a little faster for, 2 to 3 minutes, and then I can finish it out with a sprint, and then I'll just kind of recover and do it again.
But that's really going to help build your endurance in general.
But I don't do the, 2 miles.
That's not for me.
No, that's not for me.
Alright, we're going to switch sides for you here. Like somewhere just implementing that the nighttime, implement 20 minutes in the Epsom salt bath. How's your hydration going? How much water are you drinking?
I drink a ton of water.
Okay. This one's getting you, huh?
Mm.
I feel like your left was worse than your right.
Really?
Yeah. Overall. Do you feel more tenderness on your right?
Oh, for sure. Right now. Yeah.
You just keep going.
Okay. All right, let's bring this leg up. Tell me when. All right, and push down. So Ann's fairly flexible with this right here. So her back is firing correctly. We just gotta get her glutes to fire. All right. Kick out. Any pain, discomfort with this?
It's just hard.
Okay. We're trying to get those hip adductors. Right there at the base. See? Push down. Okay, and next one. All right. Good. All right. Switch sides. Bring this up. Good. And kick out. Okay. Alright, flip onto your back, please. Keep it straight, keep it straight. There we go. Go out there. Push towards me. And relax. And push towards me. Yeah, good there. And push towards me. When we first started, you were not even at 90.
Yeah.
So she's improved her flexibility quite a bit in the course of our treatments together. Good. And push towards me. Do you feel this in the glute, or do you feel this? Or in more of the hip area?
Yeah, I feel it pull, just stretching through here.
Right there. Okay. Push towards me. Yeah, you're gonna get some nice bruise in there. It's nice and round for you. Right. Good. And here. And push. So although both of them are pretty dang flexible now, you're right, so it's better than when you left it. And push towards me. Alright. Let's get you adjusted here, so you just relax just like this. Alright. Let's get some cracks here for you. And move this guy here. All the way over. Try to relax as you can. Good. Same thing here. Swing your head a little further this side. Good. And nice stretch. Good. Let's have you lay on your side and face me. Okay. Here. Breathe in. And breathe out. That coming. Switch sides. Come a little closer towards me. There you go. Swap your arms. Perfect. Let that shoulder hang. Alright, breathe in and all the way up. You're not gonna fall. On your back. Okay. Get your hips and your ankles here. Keep this nice and loose. Nice and loose. Alright, we're also gonna hit your fibular head. Right here. There we go. It's a new one for you. Here. Here. Relax it. It's okay. Alright, go under your stomach.
Sorry.
It's okay.
It took me for a surprise.
Want to position those knees for you so then when you do those squats, we can keep that inside. Alright. Have you scoot down just a couple inches. That's good there. Alright, have you cross your right leg over your left. You're going to push this up. Sacrum right in the right place. You can relax that right there. Alright, let's get this right here for you. Breathe in. And all the way out. Good. Breathe in. And all the way out. If you sit on up, we're going to do that back crack adjustment. Okay, put your hands behind your head. Interlock your fingers there. Thank you. One arm here. Lean back on me. Lean back. Alright, breathe in. And all the way nice and aligned. There we go. Okay, all right, let's check out and see how those squats have improved. So just do 3 squats for us and just kind of see how that is. Wow, okay, so you keep going. You're not quite to 90, but you're pretty close. Bring your feet in just a little bit. Okay. Good, okay, now let's do it with this above. Let's check that out. Go lower if you can. There we go. And activate. Come on up. One more time. Try to get to 90. So, she's improved. It's not 100%. We still have some work to do with her. But for one treatment, when we're directing and trying to get those squats in line, improved probably about 70% with that range of motion. It's going to take some muscle memory and some strength building as we go through this here, but I think we're in a good start. So.
Yeah, I feel great.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you guys subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.